Hello everyone, welcome back to I4 Math. I'm Murugan and today we're diving deep into class 12 mathematics. Chapter 1, Relations and Functions. We have an incredibly exciting problem lined up for you. Today, seriously, this question is a superb question and function that will really test your core concepts for the board exams. If you want to master math this year, make sure to hit the subscribe button, grab your notebook and keep watching. Show that the function f defined from R to the set of all x belongs to R such that x takes the value from -1 to +1, excluded both -1 and +1. Defined by f of x which is equal x divided by x plus modulus of x where x belongs to R is 1-to-1 and onto function. 1-to-1. Case number 1. X positive, y negative. Suppose f of x which is equal f of y where x comma y belongs to R. F of x equal to x divided by 1 plus modulus of x. F of y which is equal y divided by 1 plus modulus of y. Actually here x is positive, so the modulus of x we can write as plus x, and y is negative, we can write the modulus of x as minus y. So x divided by 1 plus x which is equal y divided by 1 minus y. Now do the cross multiplication. X into 1 minus y, that is x minus xy which is equal y into 1 plus x into y. Now take this minus xy to the right hand side, xy plus xy, that is 2xy. Bring the y to the left hand side, x minus y. Now consider this is equation number 1. Here x is positive, already we have taken x is positive, y is negative. Then x into y, that is less than 0 because one positive number, one negative number. Product of one positive number and negative number is less than 0. And then multiply by 2 on both sides. So 2xy is obviously less than 0. And you consider the x minus y, x is positive and y is negative and minus y is positive, x is positive, positive plus positive is greater than 0. So you consider the equation number 1, 2xy is less than 0, x minus y is greater than 0, actually it is not possible. So 2xy which is not equal x minus y. So this case of x being positive and y being negative can be ruled out. Under similar argument, x being negative and y being positive also be ruled out. Next case number 2. X and y both positive. Then f of x which is equal to f of y. X is positive means then we can write modulus of x which is equal to plus x and modulus of y which is equal to plus y. So x divided by 1 plus x which is equal y divided by 1 plus y. Now do the cross multiplication. X into 1 plus x into y which is equal y into x plus x into y. Now cancel xy on both the sides. So x is equal to y. So f is 1-to-1. Case number 3. X and y both negative. Now f of x which is equal to f of y. What is f of x? X divided by 1 plus modulus of x. But x is negative. So we can write modulus of x as minus x. So x divided by 1 minus x which is equal. Similarly f of y is y divided by 1 minus y because y is negative. Now do the cross multiplication. X into 1 minus y. X into 1 is x minus x into y is xy which is equal. Y into 1 is y minus x into y is xy. Now cancel minus xy on both the sides. So x which is equal to y. Therefore f is 1-to-1 function. Let us check on to. Y belongs to R. Here R is codomain. But y takes especially the value from -1 to +1 like that it is given in the question. Now case number 1. Y is negative. So y which is equal x divided by 1 plus modulus of x we know very well. But here y is negative means this modulus of x should be negative. Suppose if it is positive, x numerator that is positive, 1 plus x denominator that is positive. A positive number divided by a positive number is again a positive number, we won't get the negative number. So obviously this modulus of x should be negative. So y which is equal x divided by 1 minus x, that alone possible. Now just do the cross multiplication. Y into 1 minus x, y minus xy which is equal x. Now we are going to find x value in terms of y. So what I'm going to do, I'm taking this minus xy to the right hand side. So x plus xy which is equal to y. Now take the x outside, x into 1 plus y which is equal to y. Now I want x, so take this 1 plus y to the right hand side. So x which is equal y divided by 1 plus y. of x which is equal x divided by 1 minus x. Now let us substitute x which is equal y divided by 1 plus y. So f of y divided by 1 plus y which is equal x value is y divided by 1 plus y divided by 1 minus x. Again substitute x equal to y divided by 1 plus y. Now in denominator take the LCM. 1 plus y minus y divided by 1 plus y. Numerator is y divided by 1 plus y. Now cancel 1 plus y and 1 plus y. So what you will get? Y divided by 1 plus y minus y. Cancel y minus y. So we will get y divided by 1, that is y. So f of y divided by 1 plus y which is equal to y. That is f of x equal to y. So f is on 2. Next case number 2. Y is positive. Then y is equal to x divided by 1 plus modulus of x. Actually this is the given question. Y is positive means this modulus of x should be positive. Otherwise there is a chance for getting negative also. So the modulus of x, obviously it should be positive. Numerator is positive and denominator is positive. So obviously y is positive. So y is positive means we can take modulus of x is positive. So y which is equal x divided by 1 plus x. Now do the cross multiplication. Y into 1, y into x which is equal to x. Now we need to find the x value. So what I'm going to do is I'm taking this minus xy to the right hand side. So x minus xy which is equal y. Now take the x outside. So x into 1 minus y which is equal to y. Now I need the x value, divide both sides by 1 minus y. So x which is equal y divided by 1 minus y. Therefore f of x which is equal to x divided by 1 plus x. Here substitute x is equal to y by 1 minus y. So f of y divided by 1 minus y which is equal y divided by 1 minus y divided by 1 plus y divided by 1 minus y. Now take the LCM for the denominator. So y divided by 1 minus y divided by 1 minus y plus y divided by 1 minus y. Cancel 1 minus y, 1 minus y. So you will get y divided by 1 minus y plus y. Now cancel minus y and plus y. So y divided by 1 will come. So y divided by 1 is obviously y. So therefore f is on 2. So f is 1 to 1 and 2.